This free tool makes you sound like a pro. Imagine walking out of every meeting with perfect notes and action items, all handled for you. No more scrambling to jot things down or forgetting key details. Otter.ai automatically transcribes your meetings in real time while pinpointing key action items. It does the heavy lifting so you can focus on contributing instead of note-taking. Plus, sharing organized meeting notes has never been easier. Unlock the full potential of Otter.ai with my free workflow template. It's designed to help you streamline your productivity and shine like a true professional. Ready to level up? Grab your free workflow template now at alex-mujica.io and make meetings work for you.